You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to send a reel to multiple people at once on Instagram. First, find the reel you want to share, either from your own profile or your feed. Tap the paper airplane share icon below the reel. This opens your direct message DM send list. At the top of this screen, you will see a search bar and a list of your recent conversations. To send it to multiple people, start typing a friend's name in the search bar and select their profile from the suggestions. Repeat this process, tapping on each friend you want to include. Their names will be added to a group at the top of the screen. You can add up to 32 people in a single group message. You can also tap Send to Group to select an existing group chat. Once you've selected all recipients, you can add an optional text message above the reel. Finally, tap the blue Send button. The reel will be delivered as a direct message to all selected friends in one group chat. This saves you from having to send individual messages to each person. For more simple Instagram tutorials, subscribe to the channel.